Hedge fund billionaire Ray Dalio reportedly establishing a branch of his family office in Abu Dhabi. And Dubai Islamic Bank sees a 12% rise in Q1 net profit. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Farrage. Hedge fund billionaire Ray Dalio is reportedly establishing a branch of his family office in Abu Dhabi. The Bridgewater Associates founder's new setup adds to the Dalio family office's existing hubs in the U.S. and Singapore. The new office will sit in Abu Dhabi Global Market. Plans are underway to bring in a team of investment professionals to lead the new family office branch. Dalio is also reportedly exploring a broader investment partnership with AI firm G42. Dubai Islamic Bank, the UAE's largest Islamic lender, saw a 12% rise in Q1 net profit year-on-year to $408 million. The results were driven by higher revenues and lower impairments. Net financing and Sukuk investments came in at $65.36 billion, up 1% year-to-date. Impairment charges fell to $135 million, down 24% year-on-year. Net operating revenues rose 12% year-on-year to reach $748.9 million. Mubadala Investment Company and Canadian pension investment manager BCI are the new anchor investors in Cube Highways Trust, an infrastructure investment trust in India. The trust has a diversified portfolio of 18 toll and road assets with an aggregate length of over 1,400 kilometers. BCI, Mubadala, and domestic institutional investors have subscribed to the ordinary units in a $630 million private placement. Natural gas giant Gasprom is setting up a unit in the Middle East as several Russian companies are cutting their businesses away in Europe. In a regulatory disclosure, Gasprom didn't reveal more details about the Middle East unit. Dubai has become an international hub for many Russian energy firms seeking to run their businesses while avoiding sanctions. Last year, Russia's largest oil tanker company, Sovcomflot, transferred its operations to Dubai. UK inflation slowed slightly last month but held stubbornly above 10%, further fueling a cost of living crisis despite an aggressive series of interest rate hikes. The CPI rose by a stronger than expected 10.1% in March, down from 10.4% in February. Inflation is in double figures on soaring food and housing costs, including electricity and gas bills. Market expectations had been for a drop below 10%. Tesla cut prices for some of its Model Y and Model 3 EVs in the U.S. again for the sixth time this year amid concerns about the effect on its profit margins. Tesla cut the prices of its Model Y vehicles by $3,000 and its Model 3 by $2,000. Tesla also recently lowered prices in Europe, Israel, Singapore, Japan, and other countries. Its discount drive started in China in January to spur demand. The EV maker is due to report earnings today. And that brings us to today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, where our biggest loser today is Elon Musk. He's down $1.8 billion, but still with net wealth of $187.4 billion. Our second biggest loser today is Tencent's Ma Huateng, down $1.3 billion with net wealth of $37.5 billion. And our third place loser is Alphabet's Larry Page, down $1.1 billion with net wealth of $90.1 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. Netflix subscribers hit a record high of 232.5 million in Q1 this year, and it says its ad-supported tier is faring well. The streaming giant saw a Q1 profit of $1.3 billion in line with expectations. Netflix says it delayed a broad crackdown on sharing of account passwords to improve the experience for members, but it says it expects to begin rolling out its options for paid password sharing this quarter. I'm Ramia Farrage. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.